चलें जी, लेट्स स्टार्ट। मैंने कहा था 9 बजे क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी, तो 9 बजे क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी इंशाल्लाह। ठीक है, एक्टिव हो और मैं एंड पे आपको कुछ और चीजें बताऊंगा। ठीक है, ऑलराइट। नाउ वीव गॉट लिस्ट ऑफ हेडिंग्स, पैराग्राफ ए एंड हेडिंग नंबर 8. They've given one example. So first of all, you should cross heading number 8 because we will not read it. This is already used. One heading will be used once only. They will not use one heading 2 times or 3 times and all that. One heading will be used once only. Okay? Now, we will start from paragraph B. But remember one thing, whenever they give you list of headings, it's a good idea to read and interpret the headings. Headings contain the main idea of paragraph. And the type of reading that you need here is not scanning. It is called skimming. You will skim read the paragraph. Sometimes you will find main idea in first sentence. And then you say, so easy, list of heading, no problem. I first paragraph read, understand. Okay. So sometimes, not always. Okay. Otherwise, you read a couple of lines and these lines are general lines about the topic. In the third, fourth line, writer introduces the main topic. So the middle sentence or the second, third sentence is important. And sometimes what happens, they start with explanation, they explain. In the last sentence, they conclude with the main topic. So in that case, last sentence will give you the clue. Now, there is a skill when you read the paragraph, when you read the headings, you need to see what do they want, and then you will look for that thing in the passage. Come on, let's read headings. Reaction of Inuit community to climate change. Underline reaction, Inuit community, climate change. Now listen. For climate change, what did Inuit community do? A paragraph where they said they changed their lifestyle, they made these things and that. So this heading will go there. Heading is reaction of Inuit community to climate change. Means what did they do for climate change? Heading number 2. Understanding of climate change remains limited. For remains limited, they say our knowledge is still limited or we don't know much. When they say we don't know much, our knowledge is limited or our knowledge is based on assumptions, it means our knowledge is limited. So underline understanding climate change limited. Means our understanding is limited. Heading number 3. Alternative source of essential supplies. Very simple. What are essential supplies? Water, gas, coal, meat and all that. So alternative source. They will say they get water from snow. They get meat from farms. They get cheese from imported one, or they get cheese from another country. So what is that? Alternative sources of essential supplies. Means they will talk about 2 to 3 sources. Question heading number 4. Respect for Inuit opinion grows. Means their opinion has got now acceptance. People accept it widely. When you say respect for my opinion grows, it means people accept my opinion. Right? So respect for Inuit opinion grows. Heading number 5. Healthier choice of food. Now they eat food, but healthier one. Healthier is comparative. So they will talk about a couple of things, and healthier one means they prefer to eat that as compared to other one. Healthier choice of food. Difficult landscape. Difficult landscape means full of mountains, deep ravines, and all. The ravine, you know, khai, right? So difficult landscape. Heading number 7, negative effects on well-being. Well-being of people. So what are the negative effects? In one paragraph, they will talk about the negative effect. Means they will talk about negativity. And well-being is sort of health of people. Well-being means health of people. Do we need to read heading 8? No. Heading number 9, benefits of easier existence. Means what are the benefits of easier existence? Like if your existence is easy, what are the benefits of that? Okay, so these are the headings. Now we are going to start with paragraph B for boy. Okay, let's see. Huh? Oh, I'm sorry, honey, I'm sorry. I apologize for that, huh? पता लग गया क्यों नहीं पढ़ा? बताओ भाई, उसको बता दो, हाँ बता, है ना? हाँ, इसलिए वो नहीं पढ़ेंगे ना, तो ऑलरेडी वो है ही नहीं, दैट इज नॉट इन द क्वेश्चन. क्लियर हो गया? ऑलराइट. I'm sorry, honey. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean that, okay? In English movies, they say that, okay? All right. Anyways, now, paragraph B. For envy, the problem is urgent. What's the problem? Climate change. They live in precarious balance with one of the toughest environments on earth. Climate change, whatever it causes, is a direct threat to their way of life. Nobody knows Arctic as well as the locals, which is why they are not content simply to stand back and let outside experts tell them what's happening. So people of Envit, they are not content that experts from outside will come and they will tell them what to do. They are doing their own things, right? Experts, what's happening? Okay, now let's go back. So, which heading? Second is understanding of climate change. No. Heading number 1, reaction of envy community to climate change. Come back. Reaction. Nobody knows the Arctic as well as locals, which is why they means locals are not content simply to stand back. What is this? This is their reaction. Locals are not content simply to stand back and let outside experts tell them what is happening. This is their reaction. They are using their own knowledge towards global warming or climate change. So question number 27, answer is 1. क्यों नहीं है? बाकी headings भी तो करनी है ना. You will read all the paragraph. Okay, listen. When you found the main idea here, then you don't need to read anymore. And sometimes you will find the main idea in first sentence. You go back and no heading matches. Then you read more. Then go back. If any heading matches, it's good. Otherwise, read on. Okay, now you know paragraph C. And we've already done that. It's about farming. Then they've got sea, catching mammal, fish, and this and that. Now go back and see which heading is appropriate. Third is alternative sources of essential supplies. No. No. Don't guess. Okay, please come to paragraph C. Canadian Arctic is a vast, treeless polar desert. Now listen, treeless polar desert. What is desert? It's a sort of landscape that's covered with snow for most of the year. So, heading number 6. A difficult landscape. Why difficult landscape? Vast, treeless polar desert. Treeless polar desert that's covered with snow. Treeless polar desert covered with snow. So, that is a difficult landscape. Paragraph C, heading number 6. Now, let's go on. We've got paragraph D for doctor. Life for the descendants of Thule people is still harsh. Nunavut is 1.9 million square kilometers of rock and ice and handful of islands around the North Pole. It's currently home to 2,500 people, but a handful of them indigenous Inuit over the past 40 years. We've read it already. Okay. Yes, they say still rely heavily on nature to provide food and clothing. Yes, go ahead. Provisions available in local shops have to be flown into Nunavut on one of the most costly air networks. Now, what are they talking about? Food, supplies, or brought by supply ship. Now, what is it? Number 1. Thank you. Provisions, please follow me. Second page, first line. Provisions available in local shops have to be flown. Have to be flown means they come by air. That is one way the supply comes. Into Nunavut or on one of the most costly air networks in the world, or brought by supply ship during the few ice-free weeks of summer. Second supply source is that ship. Now let's go back. Heading number 3, alternative sources of essential supplies. And what are alternative sources? By air and by ship. These are alternative sources. And what are essential supplies? They say provisions. Provisions are supplies. Okay, let's go on. Paragraph E. E for elephant. While the envy may not actually starve if hunting and trapping are curtailed by climate change, there has certainly been an impact on people's health. Obesity, heart disease, diabetes. Exactly. Heading number 7. And it is negative effects on well-being. Now tell me, what is the word for negative effects? Obesity, heart disease, diabetes. These are negative effects, and they've used the word impact on people's health. People's health means people's well-being. Got it? So, for question number 30, heading number 7. Okay? Now, paragraph F. And by the way, one more thing, where once you select a heading wisely, cross it so that you have fewer headings left. Okay, let's go on. No, nothing. को पता नहीं क्या एकदम मुझे like मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा था ना, मुझे यहाँ से लगा कोई एकदम उठा है, उसको पता नहीं एकदम क्या हुआ है. All right. Paragraph F. With so much at stake, envy are determining to play a key role in teasing out the mysteries of climate change in Arctic, having survived there. Okay, let's read third line. And Western scientists are starting to draw on this wisdom, increasingly referred to as envy, and then this word I don't want to read, or IQ. Yeah, let's read it again. Please follow me. Paragraph F. With so much at stake, envy are determined to play a key role in teasing out the mysteries of climate change in Arctic. Having survived there for centuries, they believe their wealth of traditional knowledge is vital to the task. Their wealth of traditional knowledge. And Western scientists are starting to draw on this wisdom. Means their opinion is getting respect now. This wisdom increasingly referred to as envy IQ. Let's try to read this word. Kauji maja tu kangit or shit. Okay, that's their local language word. So in English they've used the word IQ. So which heading? 4. Respect for envy or envied opinion grows. Okay, paragraph G. Okay, let's read the paragraph. Some scientists, yeah, पता चले उन्हें आंसर की खोल ली. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा के 2. Okay, well done, shabash. Okay, paragraph G. Some scientists doubt value of traditional knowledge because occupation of Arctic doesn't go back far enough. Others, however, point out that first weather station in the far north date back just 50 years. There are still huge gaps in our environmental knowledge. And despite the scientific onslaught, many predictions are no more than best guesses. What does it mean? Our knowledge is limited. When they say there are still huge gaps in our environmental knowledge. When there are huge gaps in our environmental knowledge, it means there are, heading number 2. Understanding of climate change remains limited. Okay, that's good.